Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the best white flowers for beginners. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Number 1. Shasta Daisy. The Shasta Daisy is one of the most cheerful and iconic white flowers. It has large, crisp white petals that surround a bold yellow center. Their appearance is simple yet striking, making them a favorite for beginner flower beds. These flowers bloom on sturdy, upright stems and can grow up to 3 feet tall, making them perfect for garden borders or as a standout in mixed flower beds. Care tips: Shasta daisies should be planted in full sun and well-drained soil. Water them deeply once a week, letting the soil dry out slightly between waterings. Remove faded blooms regularly to encourage more flowers to grow. Number 2. Sweet Alyssum. Sweet Alyssum produces dense clusters of tiny white flowers with a light honey-like fragrance. It grows low to the ground, often forming a cushion-like mat that gently spills over garden edges and pots. It's soft, delicate, and excellent as a filler plant. This ground-hugging flower grows just 4 to 6 inches tall and spreads 10 to 12 inches wide, making it ideal for softening edges and filling in gaps. Here tips. Sweet Alyssum grows best in full sun, but can handle partial shade. Keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy, especially during hot weather. Trim the plant lightly after blooming to encourage it to flower again. Number 3. Lily of the Valley. Lily of the Valley is a graceful, shade-loving plant known for its nodding, bell-shaped white flowers and sweet, almost perfume-like scent. The leaves are deep green and lance-shaped, and the plant spreads gently via underground rhizomes. The blooms are sweetly scented and arranged along slender, arching stems. These plants stay low, usually 6 to 12 inches tall, and they slowly spread to create dense patches of greenery. Care tips. Lily of the Valley grows well in partial to full shade and rich, moist soil. Water it regularly to keep the ground damp but not waterlogged. Because it spreads, consider planting it in a contained area or using edging. Number 4. White Petunia. White petunias are a staple in container gardening. Their trumpet-shaped flowers bloom continuously from spring through fall. They come in trailing and mounding forms, ideal for hanging baskets, window boxes, or garden borders. Their flowers can be solid white or have soft shading and subtle textures. These bloomers grow 6 to 18 inches tall, spreading up to 2 feet wide depending on the variety. Care tips. White petunias need full sun to bloom their best. Plant them in well-draining soil and water them regularly, letting the top inch of soil dry between waterings. Pinch off faded flowers to keep the plant blooming continuously. Number 5. Snowdrop Galanthus. Snowdrops are among the first flowers to appear after winter, often blooming while snow is still on the ground. These charming plants feature drooping white bell-shaped blooms with tiny green markings. They're among the first signs of life after winter. Snowdrops also stay quite small, only 3 to 6 inches tall, and work well in clusters or drifts. Care tips. Snowdrops should be planted as bulbs in the fall, about 2 to 3 inches deep. They prefer partial shade and moist, well-draining soil. Allow the leaves to die back naturally after blooming so the bulb can store energy for next year. Number 6. Impatiens, white variety. Impatiens are popular for their lush foliage and constant blooming habit. White impatiens offer a refreshing contrast in shady gardens and can thrive in hanging baskets, window boxes, or under trees. Their non-stop blooming habit makes them popular for shaded spaces. They grow 10 to 16 inches tall and spread about 12 to 18 inches wide. Care tips. Impatiens need partial to full shade to thrive. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy, and water daily during hot weather. Feeding once a month with a balanced fertilizer will keep them blooming well into fall. Number 7. White Zinnia. Zinnias are sun-loving, colorful favorites, and the white varieties stand out with crisp, pure blooms. They come in many shapes and sizes, from button-like pom-poms to classic daisy shapes. They range from 1 to 3 feet tall depending on the variety, with a spread of 12 to 18 inches. Care tips. Zinnias should be grown in full sun and planted in well-drained soil. Water them at the base to avoid mildew on the leaves. Remove spent flowers regularly to encourage new blooms all season long. Number 8. White Narcissus. White Narcissus, commonly known as white daffodils, are graceful spring bulbs with trumpet-shaped flowers that come in creamy whites or bright whites with yellow or green centers. These flowers typically bloom outdoors in early to mid-spring and make lovely additions to garden beds or naturalized areas. Most varieties grow between 12 to 20 inches tall, with slim green leaves and upright, sturdy stems. Care tips. Plant white narcissus bulbs in fall, about 3 to 6 inches deep. Choose a spot with full to partial sun and well-draining soil. Water after planting, then only as needed during dry spells. Let the leaves stay in place after flowering to help the bulb store energy for the next season. Number 9. Baby's Breath, Gypsophila. Baby's Breath adds softness and airiness to gardens with its cloud-like clusters of tiny white blooms. While often used in floral arrangements, it also looks stunning as a garden filler or border plant. It grows 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, filling up space with minimal effort. Care tips. Baby's Breath grows best in full sun and well-drained soil. Once established, it is drought-tolerant and doesn't need frequent watering. Avoid planting in heavy or soggy soil to prevent root rot. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best white flowers for beginners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!